In this video, I teach you how to find solution of damped harmonic oscillator equation by using Laplace transform technique. That is, we consider the damped harmonic oscillator equation is m d2 psi dt square plus gamma t psi dt plus k psi is equal to 0, where m is the mass of the oscillator and psi is the instantaneous displacement at n time t, and gamma is the damping coefficient, and minus k psi is the restricting force. Here we use the boundary condition psi 0 is equal to psi naught. Psi 0 means the function psi at time t is equal to 0, and psi dash 0 means d psi dt at time t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. These are two boundary conditions. To solve this equation by using Laplace transform method, we apply Laplace transform in this equation and we get m 0 to infinity e to the power minus st d2 psi dt square dt plus gamma 0 to infinity e to the power minus st d psi dt dt plus k into 0 to infinity e to the power minus st psi t dt is equal to 0. Here the term 0 to infinity e to the power minus st d2 psi t dt square dt is the Laplace transform of second order derivative of the function psi, and this equal to we can write by using the standard formula, that is the Laplace transform of second order derivative of function ft, that's equal to a square into Laplace transform of ft minus s into function f at time t is equal to 0 minus f dash at time t is equal to 0. Thus, this expression can be written as m into a square psi s minus ms psi naught minus m psi dash, and this expression is the Laplace transform of the first order derivative of function psi, and that's equal to gamma into a psi s minus psi 0, that is, this is the gamma into a psi minus psi 0 is the expression for the Laplace transform of first order derivative, and this expression, that is 0 to infinity e to the power minus st psi t dt, is the Laplace transform of the function psi t, that is k into psi of function s is equal to 0. Now using boundary condition, that is psi 0 is equal to psi naught and psi dash 0 is equal to 0, that is this term is equal to 0, and we find that is this expression can be written by taking the psi s is take common, that is psi s into second bracket m a square plus gamma s plus k, that is equal to we write it, that is ms plus gamma into psi 0. That is psi s into m a square plus gamma s plus k is equal to ms plus gamma into psi 0. That is psi s is equal to ms plus gamma into psi 0 by m square plus gamma s plus k. By dividing m with both numerator and denominator, it can be write s plus gamma by m divided by a square plus gamma by m to s plus k by m. Now this term can be written by this term, that is s plus gamma by m তার square plus k by m minus gamma square by 4m. Now consider for small damping, that is gamma square less equal to 4 km. Then we write k by a minus gamma square by 4m is equal to omega square. Suppose this is equal to, consider omega square, and k by m is equal to omega naught square. Then omega 1 square is equal to omega naught square minus gamma square by 4m. Then we can write the expression psi s is equal to, by taking its split up into 2, that is s plus gamma by 2m plus gamma by 2m, that is psi s is equal to s plus gamma by 2m by s plus gamma by m plus square plus omega 1 square psi naught plus gamma by 2m, and also write omega 1 by omega 1, this is nothing else, divided by s plus gamma by m the whole square plus omega 1 square. Now taking inverse Laplace transform of the equation psi s, we have psi t is equal to Laplace inverse transform of psi s. That is, we take inverse transform of this function, and that is inverse transform of this plus inverse transform of this, and inverse transform of s plus gamma by 2m by s plus gamma by m whole square plus omega 1 square, this equal to e to the power minus gamma t by 2m into cos omega 1 t. This is the standard formula, and which is, we know, s plus b by s plus b the whole square plus a square, that's equal to e to the power minus bt into cos at. We know from the inverse transform of Laplace, that is this is equal to e to the power minus gamma t by 2m into cos omega 1 t plus the Laplace inverse transform of this, that is, we have the formula for omega 1 by s plus gamma by m the whole square plus omega 1 square, that's equal to e to the power minus gamma t 2m into sin omega 1 t, and outside the term the gamma by 2 omega 1 m, that is gamma by twice m omega 1 into psi 0 e to the power minus gamma t 2m sin omega 1 t. This is the solution of the equation psi t. Now this equation can be written in standard form, which is by in this way. We take the common psi 0 e to the power minus gamma t 2m and omega naught by omega 1, then this can be written as omega 1 by omega naught, that is this cancel and this cancel, and nothing to this, that is omega naught by omega 1 into omega 1 by omega naught cos omega 1 t plus here omega naught by omega 1, that is here omega 1. Thus this is written gamma by twice m omega naught sin omega 1 t. Now if we write this omega 1 by omega 0 is equal to cos phi, and gamma by twice m omega naught is equal to sin phi, then we find cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to omega 1 by omega naught square plus gamma by twice m omega naught square is equal to 1. If we add up and put the value omega 1 square, then we find 1. Thus, after putting this omega 1 by omega 0 is cos phi and gamma by twice m omega 0 is sin phi, this expression can be written as cos omega 1 t minus phi, and tan phi is equal to gamma by twice m omega 1. Thus, the solution of a damped harmonic oscillator equation is psi t is equal to psi naught e to the power minus gamma t by twice m into cos omega 1 t minus phi. This is the standard solution of our damped harmonic oscillator. Thank you for watching this video.